So we're doing an unboxing. My Chromebook that I picked up in 22 had issues with bearings in the fan, I think, or whatever scissor switch thing. Anyway, whenever she's on for a few minutes, she makes this really bad grinding sound, and then she gets hot, and then she still works fine, but it's obvious that something is not okay. So I had to go pick up her little brother. So he's got 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of space. So he's a screamer. So is she. All 4 of them have been Acers. There's a reason why I keep getting the same one. Oh. Plus. That's what we like to see. Don't eat that. Keeps them fresh. That's nice. I'm going to be doing the changeover tomorrow, so the next time you see any content from me on any kind of big scale, he did it.